Alright, doing a MPA, Masterpiece Arms Defender. Basically their version of a mack11 9mm. Take apart. There's a pin in the front. Right here you can pinch that, pull it right out. And you can use that pin, push back on the rim. And it'll poke out the other side. Just remove that. Front pulls out. There's where you can clean the hammer and trigger system. Pretty much an empty frame. And the bolt's very simple. Pull back till the cocking handle is on that circle. Pulls right out. Or it releases out the back. And that's it.